Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We all love pizza, but it's not the healthiest food out there. But what if I told you that you could make a pizza at home that is both healthy and delicious? In today's video, I will show you how to make a pizza that is high in protein, fiber, and vitamins while being low in carbs and fat. This pizza is perfect for those who are on a diet or for those who are looking for a healthier alternative to traditional pizza. In a small bowl, combine the crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, garlic, oregano, and salt. Mix well. Spread the sauce over the dough, leaving a small border. Your healthy and delicious pizza is ready to be enjoyed. This pizza is not only visually appealing, but also packed with nutrients. The whole wheat dough provides fiber, and the protein-rich toppings make it a satisfying meal. Whether you are on a diet or just looking for a healthier alternative to traditional pizza, this recipe is definitely worth a try. So let's get started. Mozzarella cheese is a good source of calcium and protein, but it can also be high in fat and calories. We use low-fat mozzarella cheese to reduce the fat content without sacrificing too much on the taste. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. Have a great day. Bye. Whole wheat flour is a great source of fiber, and when compared to white flour, it has more nutrients. It contains more protein, iron, magnesium, and vitamin B. Processed meats, such as pepperoni and sausage, can be high in sodium and unhealthy fats. Instead, we use fresh vegetables like onions, peppers, and spinach, which are packed with nutrients and flavor. By using whole wheat flour, you are getting more nutrients with fewer carbs. For the dough, you will need 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cup of water. We use grilled chicken breast as it is a good source of protein and low in fat. You can also use other lean protein sources such as turkey breast or tofu. These toppings are not only delicious, but also provide essential nutrients. Broccoli is rich in vitamins C and K. It is high in protein and fiber and contains plenty of vitamins and minerals. Give it a try and enjoy a delicious and nutritious meal. While red onions contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation. For the sauce, you will need 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, 1 clove of garlic, minced, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the toppings, you will need 1 cup of cooked chicken breast, 1 cup of broccoli, florets, 1/2 cup of red onion, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, chopped, and 1/4 cup of low-fat mozzarella cheese. Now let's make the dough. In a large bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add the water, mixing until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a lightly floured surface for 5 minutes. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes before rolling it out. Roll out the dough on a lightly greased baking sheet. Trim any excess dough and place the dough evenly on the baking sheet. While the dough is resting, let's make the sauce. Now let's add the toppings. Start by adding the cooked chicken breast, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Then add the broccoli florets, red onion, and parsley. Top with the mozzarella cheese. Roll up the edges of the dough to form a border. This will prevent the toppings from spilling over during baking. Bake the pizza in a preheated oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. That's it. Now, let's take a closer look at the ingredients and how they make this pizza so healthy. Another key ingredient is the lean protein source. To make this pizza even healthier, we have skipped the processed meats and replaced them with fresh vegetables. We understand that cheese is a popular pizza topping, but we have used a light version to keep the fat content low. Overall, this pizza is a healthier alternative to traditional pizza without compromising on taste. Thank you for watching.